with gal. Listen, I ain't got no high body count, you know. My body count is just like 25. Yeah, but more quality over quantity. Some of the girls, yeah, like you man would wife them up 100. So I ain't got no, don't think man, I ain't got no 50 body count. Nah, not me, mate. But it's about 25 or something like that. I don't know. 25 is not a high body count. No, but I'm not 22, you know. I'm fucking 32 soon. I'm not 22. Man said biggest cap ever said. 25 is not high. 25 is not high. Yeah, obviously LeBron James is 2005. Yeah, I would believe that, obviously, innit? Yeah. He's fucking millionaire basketball superstar and that, innit? But 25 is not high, man. I know, man, easily 50. Easily 50. 25 is not high, man. That's not high. Honestly, if you think 25 is high, yeah, it's probably because like you look at your life and looked at like how, no disrespect, you struggled with chicks and that. It's not high, man. It's not high. And this is coming from me. Like, I don't go out to clubs. I've probably been to the club 10 times in my life. 15 times maximum. 15 times in my life I've been to the club. I don't go out drinking. Listen, I say to my girl, yeah, like by 11 o'clock, I'm in my house. Like, I can't remember what I was saying. I was like, yeah, I'd love to move to like somewhere in London. Let's say like Finsbury Park, somewhere nice and busy, or Notting Hill and that. Not because I want to enjoy the nightlife and that. I do like living in a busy environment, but really and truly, I'm going to be in my house by 11 o'clock anyway. No one sees me after 11 o'clock. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, I ain't got no high body count. And that. Obviously, my body count could be higher, but I've turned down girls in the past, innit? So, man said 25 is well above average. Nah, man. 20, I actually think, yeah, like it's kind of a little bit embarrassing to only say that I've only got a 20 body count of 25. I think it's shit. That's why man have to let you lot know, like quality over quantity. Yeah. Although I was saying this to my girl the other day, like I have two friends, them man there are about quality over quantity. They would rather have 2 9s rather than have I'd rather have 6 7s probably rather than 2 9s. Actually, no. 2 9s is like, in fact, a 9 is a 9. Yeah. But you understand what I'm trying to say? All right, put it this way. Them man, they would rather have 1 9, yeah, as their girlfriend. I would rather have 4 7s than 1 9. Because you get bored of one girl, innit?